Hi guys, I am in Oman Aster Hospital. I am in Gandhi Inauguration Ghubra. I am in Assam Mukansar Vannatunde. I am in the Vishashangalai Kubwa.
So Aster has a tagline that we will treat you well, but in Royal and in Oman we will treat you royally well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We have, as a policy, been employing people with special needs. We have now 110 people with special needs as Asterians in different parts of Aster. So this is taken up and this is given as a KPI to our managers to see that they recruit people with special needs in different parts of the world. So that's from the point of view of these two areas. But more importantly, if you look at our facilities, we focus a lot on environment. One, we are utilizing technology for reducing consumption of electricity. Yeah, we still have that building with us. We have not surrendered that. We are looking at how to utilize it more effectively. So one of the plan is to look at bringing something which is not there in the Sultanate. So we feel that while doing the survey, there is a requirement for a good physical medicine and rehabilitation, a rehab facility for which many people are traveling outside the country. So we are seriously considering a large rehab center which is much more sophisticated, equipped, and which can provide treatment to the patients who are traveling to many countries, including our hospitals in India, where a large number of patients coming from Oman for rehab. So that's seriously under discussion, and that's one way in which health and other facilities. But we thought it could be put in better use and wanting to continue this journey along with the people in this country. I promise you that we will be in the forefront, in the private sector, to work along with the government as per the direction of the Ministry of Health and the rulers of this country to take healthcare in this country to the highest level. Healthcare is completely getting transformed. What is seen today may not be there after 10 years. There is transformation happening. You hear about great sense of accomplishment I am standing in before you. I remember 15 years back coming here and starting a hospital, and at that time we wanted the Aster to be present across the geographies in GCC, especially in Oman. I remember at that time the blessings we received from the then ruler, the Majesty Sultan Qaboos, who was the visionary ruler who thought that healthcare is like education is one of the most important areas where everybody should focus. And with that blessings we went forward, and in the last 15 years have been able to establish 3 hospitals in the Sultanate of Oman along with clinics, and this impacting the lives of large number of people. And when we look at what we have accomplished, it's very little, but it's something which is significant, because we thought that there is a requirement for us to bring in services which are not available here. And that's how we thought we should be focusing on areas where there is a need for people to get treated in this country rather than going out. And our focus was that. And this hospital is a testimony for that. What we want to do here is to be a platform for the local, the Omani consultants, along with our doctors, to provide whatever is being done outside the country here itself. And with the blessings and the guidance of the Ministry of Health, I was speaking to the Honorable His Excellency the Under Secretary, and we will be able to provide our expertise because we have been doing in India, in other countries, we have been doing all the complicated procedures from tertiary to quaternary. So how can we bring it here? How can we make it available to the people of Oman? That is something which we are looking at. And I am sure that in the next 5 years, with the support of the Ministry of Health and the visionary rulers of this country, we shall be able to fulfill that. We have a dedicated team of doctors along with the paramedical staff who are ready to do that. We have leadership team here, Dr. Sharbaz and Sailesh and the whole team who are guided by
companies along with the corporates and be able to bring the best of medical care within the Sultanate of Oman along with the public sector and see how we become one of the best private institutions that the country has to offer. We are very proud to launch this facility. We say with 175 beds, this would be the largest private healthcare institution in this.
ഹായ്, അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഒമാനിലെ ആസ്റ്റർ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നാണ് ഇനാഗുറേഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമ്മുടെ ഡോക്ടർ സാർ ആഷിഖ് സാർ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ വളരെ ഹാപ്പിയാണല്ലോ എല്ലാവരും. അപ്പോൾ എത്രാമത്തെ ഷോപ്പാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഒമാനിലെ?
ഒമാനിലെ അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽ.
ടോട്ടൽ എത്ര? പ്രാക്ടീസ്
നമുക്ക് ടോട്ടലി 5 ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽസും 6 മെഡിക്കൽ സെന്റേഴ്സും.
6 മെഡിക്കൽ സെൻ്ററാണ്. പിന്നെ ഒമാനിലെ ഏറ്റവും ടോപ്പ് ഇതല്ലേ?
ഒമാനിലത്തെ പ്രൈവറ്റ് ഹെൽത്ത് കെയർ സെക്ടറിലത്തെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ബെഡുള്ള ഹോസ്പിറ്റലാണ്
ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ബെഡുള്ള
ആസ്റ്റർ റോയൽ അൽ റഫ ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽ.
എത്ര ഫ്ലോറാണ്?
ഇത് 8 ഫ്ലോർ.
8 ഫ്ലോറാണ്.
ഓപ്പറേഷൻ തിയേറ്റേഴ്സ് ഏറ്റവും മുകളിലത്തെ ഫ്ലോർ, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഫ്ലോർ തൊട്ട് 8 ഫ്ലോർ വരെ.
പിന്നെ നല്ല ഗുഡ് സർവീസാണ് ഇവിടെ.
ഒരുവിധം എല്ലാ സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റീസും നമുക്കുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നാട്ടിൽ ഒരു മേജർ ടെർഷറി കെയർ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ കിട്ടുന്ന എല്ലാ ഫെസിലിറ്റീസും, എമർജൻസി തൊട്ട് കാർഡിയോളജി, ന്യൂറോളജി, സൂപ്പർ സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റീസ്, സബ് സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റീസ് ആൻഡ് ബേസിക് സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റീസ് എല്ലാം റെപ്രസെൻറ്റഡ് ആണ് നമ്മുടെ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ.
ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു. ഓക്കെ.